Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about the plans for the car now because in the last video, as you guys saw, the engine blew. Really stinks, but we're going to get over it. So in the past week, we've been looking all over the place for a new engine to swap in, but what we were able to find was there's two transmissions and three 1.6 liter Volkswagen diesels. And thank you, Jesse, for letting us get those, and we're gonna rebuild them. We're gonna take them apart, and we're gonna take the best parts from all of them and build one good engine to slap in the car. Then there's also the two transmissions, and then we have one in the car. Since we never got the chance to drive it, we don't really know how the shape of the transmission, so we're gonna figure out which of the three is the best one to also put in the car. So here's a picture of the engines. They're still in the back of the truck. So in the picture, you can see that we have two long block, one short block. So we're gonna start rebuilding those soon, and that's gonna take a while. So I'm gonna be putting out a lot of content of rebuilding those engines and figuring out the transmission. We got a new engine hoist to pull the old engine. So we're gonna get onto that soon, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the videos of rebuilding that. So thanks for watching. Share with your friends and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Remember the original Fast and Furious where Brian brings the Supra to the shop and everyone's like, oh, it's a piece of junk. And he's like, oh, you guys got no faith. And I think Dom says, oh, I have faith, but this isn't a junkyard, it's a shop. That's what I feel like with this car, because I like it, and I think there's a lot of potential to it, but it seems like a lot of people just think it's a piece of junk because it has a bad paint job right now.